Now, Bengalurians will have to double check their building plans because if your home or office stands on a stormwater drain, it could be next to be broken down. In a bold move that sent shockwaves across Bengaluru city, Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar has now ordered a demolition drive of all buildings encroaching stormwater drains. In fact, those are survey visuals that we have here of DK inspecting some of the IT sectors. The parks there like Manyata has been checked. DK Shivkumar was seen visiting and with the BBMP officials itself trying to take cognizance on the areas and parts of Manyata Tech Park that may have encroached on stormwater drains. So clearly sent jitters now across the IT sector because we know a lot of it has been built either on stormwater drains, on lake beds. The crackdown has already begun. Survey is already underway. In fact, we're looking at Manyata Tech Park, particularly mentioned by DK Shivkumar himself, claiming that that has violated the construction regulation. Now, DK Shivkumar, while speaking, did not mince words. He blamed directly these tech parks for choking the city's drainage and worsening flood crisis in the city. He's warned corporate bigwigs, either you follow the rules or face bulldozers.
I will not yield to me. ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ I will not yield to anyone. ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೊಡೆದು ಬಿಸಾಕ್ಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. I don't want any private people. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮಗೂ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನಿಮಗೂ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ. ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಿ, I will hear you. Don't be over excited with me. I will not be influenced with anyone.
There you have it. DK Shivkumar sounding unsparing there. While DKS leads the ground action, you have Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, who's currently taking top-level officials to task. At a high-level review meeting with Chief Secretary Shalini Rajneesh, the Chief Minister has lashed out at the Deputy Commissioners and the CEOs of districts that haven't cleared a single lake encroachment. Well, is it really the solution? Bulldozing buildings that have been built on stormwater drains? Who gave them permission in the first place? Or did they violate after permission was granted? All that needs to be checked. Investigation will begin now. Of course, the government has taken the first move. Karnataka has over 10,900 odd lakes facing encroachment, and barely 6,000 of them have been cleared so far, raising alarms over future flooding risks. The Chief Minister has now demanded urgent surveys and full clearance to restore natural water flows.